And welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix unable to send SMS. Please try again on Telegram app if you face this type of error. So how to fix? First of all, go back to your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle. At least the third scan you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode. At least the third scan you have turned it on, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and click on journal, and from here click on date and time and make sure that turn on this toggle set automatically. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do is turn on this toggle, and after that go back, and after that scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone and click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method. Go back and open your app store, and from here you search for this Telegram app. Click on Telegram, and from here you as can see update. What you need to do it, update your Telegram app, and after update your Telegram app, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open any one browser like Google and Chrome, and from here you search for this Telegram help. Click on this, and Telegram support, click on this. From here you as can see description, explain your problem, enter your email address and enter your phone number and click on submit. After submit, Telegram team correct your email or phone number, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.